Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you a few methods that you can try if you're facing the Steam not opening error. So the first one would be to close Steam's process. So to do that, open your task manager and then go to details. From here, search for Steam, and when you find it, click on it and then press end task and press end process. So after that, you'll have to search for all the Steam tasks and Steam related icons. Simply press on it, find it, press on it, and press end process. So after that, what you can do is you can run from the search bar, open run, and then type in %local app data %, press OK. From here you'll have to find Steam and simply delete this folder. So after deleting the folder, Steam will restart. So try this method. So another thing that you can do is if the Steam is not starting, what you can do is you can right click on your Steam, go to properties, and then go to compatibility, and then tick this run this program as administrator, plus apply, and then OK. So try this method out. So if anything, if all the methods doesn't work, so the last thing that you can do is you can go to your control panel and uninstall Steam and reinstall it again. So to do that, so press this, go to control panel, go to uninstall a program. From here you'll have to find Steam, press uninstall, and simply uninstall all the files of Steam, and then you'll have to reinstall file and see if the issue is still persist or not. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.